Okay, you've got all your pieces pinned up. Let me show you where you sew. Now you're going to start on the legs, go from the toe up to the first dash. Finish the seam there, start a new seam at the second dash and go to the heel. Leave the bottom, the flat part of the foot open. On the arm, sew from that dash to the dash. Leave this part open so that you can turn the piece. In the body, you sew from dash to dash, but at that second dash where the neck is, just skip one little stitch, but leave the whole back open. On the head, you'll sew from the tip of the nose just to the bottom of the neck. After you get that done, I will show you how to insert the gusset. And then with the ears, you just sew on the curve and leave the bottom open. And you can sew this by machine or by hand. In the next step, I'll show you how to sew by hand.